How to turn off Toniebox step by step. First, stop any audio playing. If a Tony figure is on top of the box, remove it first. The audio should stop automatically. Then place the Toniebox on a flat surface. Set the Toniebox down normally and wait a few seconds. The box doesn't have a traditional power button like a phone or console. Third, let it enter sleep mode automatically. After a short period of inactivity, the Tuniebox automatically goes into sleep mode to save battery. You usually do not need to manually turn it off. And the fourth option is to fully shut it down. If you want to completely shut it off, turn the Tuniebox upside down, press and hold both ears for about 10 seconds, and wait until you hear the shutdown sound. After that, the Tuniebox will be fully powered off until turned back on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.